Guys, hello, good afternoon everyone guys. Today I am going to topic is my video topic is this topic is how to set up your ringtone. How to set up your, please open your, first time open your setting and click on this sound and vibration. Click on this sound and vibration and choose on do not disturb it sound mode and this is a ringtone. Just time this is ringtone signal and will be I am changing this any next song, another songs.
हेलो हजूर
This I am choose and set up this song. Okay, just second waiting.
हेलो हजूर नमस्कार
I am set to this. And back on this. We'll set up this temple mode. This is. Thank you everyone. Thank you watching this. How to set up? Open on the setting and sound and vibration and choose on this any option and thank you for